So in my line of business, I help people deal with a lot of their problems around growing and scaling. And one of the biggest problems people have is not having enough profit in their business to invest in growth and scale. And one thing that I always tell people is if you will know if you have enough profit in your business, if you literally have problems actually trying to spend all your money every single day, month, or year. If that happens, you have a profit problem, which is not a bad problem. That's a good problem to have. But that's when you'll know. If you're just kind of scraping by, then you probably don't have enough profit to really grow and scale. So you should have an excess supply of money to be able to put into different things. And that really is when you know things are working. So how do you create more profit margin in your business? Well, there's a couple of different ways. The first way is to invest in a really good brand because people are way more likely to work with you if they trust you and you're an authority in your space, right? Or they at least just know of you really, really well. They know who you are. They like your product, they like your everything. You're putting a lot of value into the community. That will increase your brand and your awareness. And then people are willing to part with more of their money because they have more trust that you actually know what you're doing. The same thing goes for the second thing, which is testimonials and authority. If you can build as much of those as possible, then you're going to get way more people to want to work with you because you're getting so many people approving of what you do. That's going to get way more conversions, way more proof, etc., which is going to help boost your numbers and boost your profit margins at the bottom line. The third thing is to invest in a really good product. And here's how I think of a product. I think of a product as something that is inherently viral. So the degree to which your product is viral is the degree to how good your product basically is. So the more virality you have, the better your product. If nobody's sharing your product, that means nobody really likes it, which means that your product probably isn't very good. So you need to have something that's inherently viral. Those are the best opportunities in general in the marketplace is to have something that's viral because you're basically getting free publicity and you're getting what's called your cost of customer acquisition, your CAC, essentially covered because other people are sharing it for you. And now you can incentivize these people to share your product with other people. And that's one great way. But the idea is that people should like it so much, they should be sharing it anyways. And if you incentivize them, they share it even more, which should be the goal, right? So that's sort of the third way that I would focus on. One other way that I would focus on increasing your profit margins is just to focus on trends or arbitrage opportunities in the market. So essentially arbitrage, if you haven't heard of it before, is essentially taking advantage of an inefficiency in the market and providing a better solution that takes advantage of this inefficiency. So essentially, let's say that, with social media content, let's say TikTok, 'cause that's really hot right now. Let's say TikTok content creation is difficult for most businesses, which I would say is. A lot of businesses don't know how to use it, et cetera. It's very new. So because of that, there's an arbitrage opportunity because it's an inefficient market. There's not a lot of marketing agencies who have been able to solve this problem for other people. And because of that, you can come in with a really good solution to help them grow and scale through that kind of an arbitrage opportunity. So that is what you want to focus on. So if you focus on these things, then you should be able to get way more profit into the business, into the bottom line, which help grow and scale your business, your agency, or whatever as fast as humanly possible, which is ultimately what you want for growing your business and growing your profit margin. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions on how to increase your profit margin or you want me to help growth hack your business, feel free to comment below with any questions. I'm here to help, here to give you some suggestions, here to give you some advice. I was able to grow my agency to $1.7 million last year in revenue, and I'm here to help you guys do the exact same thing. There's no reason that you can't. We're really excited to see you guys win. If you like this, feel free to share it with somebody or subscribe for more videos. We got a ton on our YouTube channel, our podcast, all over the place. We got tons of content. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.